It's a beautiful early May day in the UK, and the southeast to be exact, and I am heading to ESM, the famous Morris Minor specialist in Wadhurst, which is in East Sussex. I'm staying in Kent, which is just over the border from East Sussex, and I need to get some door handles and a few other bits and pieces, so I thought it'd be interesting to pop along there. I thought a few shipping charges, which are probably less than the petrol I'm spending getting over here, but still, never mind. It'll be fun to go there and see what it's like. It's a pretty rural area, as you can tell. Oh, I see some Morris Minors. That's probably it. Let's see. I can park in here next to these beautiful miners. ESM workshop. Okay. See some more miners over here. Maybe I can park there. Looks like a car park there. Just see under the covers a series of miners. Obviously we're in the right place. Oh, that's nice. Okay, definitely in the right place. Oh yes, is that the famous miner that's on the cover of the website? Austin actually. Like customers are sent in pictures. It's rather nice. Now this I do recognise, although it's 90 degrees to the horizontal, but yep, that's definitely something I welded some time ago. I have to say it is a little strange to have ordered parts from ESM for what is 7 or 8 years now, and finally come to the place where they are all sourced from, and it is, to use a cliche, an Aladdin's cave. I'll also admit that I recognise some of those part numbers, and it looks like ESM has a lot of disc brakes. Recognise those wheels? There are literally Morris Minors everywhere. Here I'm walking through to the workshops at the back, and yep, Minor in every direction. Recognize a few of those parts.